Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show you how to get the iOS Setup Assistant. Please note that the iOS Setup Assistant is available in iOS 9 and later versions. It only appears once you set up your iOS device for the first time. It is a one-time affair. You cannot access it whenever you please. However, if you want to get iOS Setup Assistant, you need to factory reset your iPhone. So, let's watch the video till the end. Before starting, you need to back up your iPhone. This process will safeguard your data and help you recover it after the factory reset. Make sure your device has enough iCloud space. If not, then remove unnecessary files and apps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on your profile name at the top. Tap the iCloud option. Find and tap on the iCloud backup under the Device Backup section for manual backup. Then, tap the Backup Now option. It might take some time to complete the backup process. After the backup, let's see how to erase all content and settings on iPhone. This action will remove all apps, configurations, and personal information and restore your iPhone to its original state, just like when you took it out of the box for the first time. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on General. Now, swipe up to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom of your iPhone screen. Once you erase your iPhone, it will sign out of your Apple ID, and all personal data will be removed so it can be safely traded in or given away. Also, it will remove items such as apps and data, Apple ID, Find My, and SM. Tap the Continue button. A pop-up will appear on your device asking you to keep SM and erase data or delete the SM and erase data. Tap on Keep SM and Erase Data. Now, enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My and Activation Lock. Tap on Turn Off at the top right corner. Make sure the password you enter for Apple ID is correct. Otherwise, you will see a verification failed message on your iPhone. After that, your iPhone will erase all content and settings. As you can see here, the Apple logo appears on my iPhone. Wait until the process completes and your device turns on. You can see the Hello screen on my iPhone. This is how to get a Setup Assistant on your iPhone. First, select the language and your region. Then, drag the slider above the Continue button to choose how you would like text and icons to look on your iPhone. For my iPhone, I will keep it as the default. Now, tap on the Continue button. You can see the Quick Start screen. To do so, bring your current iPhone or iPad near your iPhone to sign in and set it up. For that, make sure your iPhone is running on iOS 11 or later version and the Bluetooth is on. If you want to set up your iPhone manually, tap on Setup without another device. Then, choose Customize Settings to set up and change written and spoken languages. Tap the Continue button. After that, connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. Choose a Wi-Fi network, enter its password, and tap on Join. It will take a few moments to activate your iPhone. Now, tap on Continue on the Data and Privacy page. Select the Set up iPhone option. You can set up an iPhone for yourself or a child in your family. Here, I want to set up an iPhone for myself. I am going to select Setup for myself. Now, the Face ID setup screen appears. Tap on Setup Later. Or you can set up now. Then, the iPhone shows Create an iPhone Passcode screen. Once you set the passcode, you must enter it each time you unlock your iPhone. Tap on Passcode options to select one. For example, I am selecting a 4-digit numeric code. Enter your passcode and re-enter to confirm it. Now, you see the Transfer Your Apps and Data page. With options, Restore from iCloud Backup, Transfer directly from iPhone, Restore from Mac or PC, Move data from Android. Tap on Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter the Apple ID you use to sign in with your iCloud. Tap on Continue. After that, enter your Apple ID password and tap the Continue button. Enter the verification code to continue. Read the terms and conditions and then tap on Agree to continue. It might take some time to sign you in. Choose an iCloud backup to transfer your apps and information to your new device. Tap on Backup. Tap on Continue. Your iPhone will show a Siri setup page. Tap on Setup Later in Settings. After that, you need to enable Emergency OS and tap the Continue button. Wait until your iPhone completes the backup and restore process from iCloud. After that, your iPhone will restart automatically. Unlock your iPhone, and you'll see the Restore Completed message here. Tap on Continue. Then, complete the remaining settings. Select Not Now for Siri settings. You can see the Welcome to the iPhone screen. Swipe up to get started. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos. Also, comment for more help.